Hello, this is Barry Nirmal. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe link below. So I have this air conditioning unit here. This is the thermostat, and I turn it on, and what happens is that from the vent inside the house, see this vent here, I get air, but it's not cold. Okay. So what this means is that the unit in the attic, air conditioning unit is working, which has the fan, is working. Otherwise, there will be no air from the vent. But there is no cooling. It's just warm air. So I come outside and look at the AC unit, and it's not running. The fan is not running, and I try to hear inside, and there is no sound. So most likely the power is not coming here. Of course, if I call the electrician or the air conditioning guy, he will come and say, oh, this unit, how old is it? Is it 15 years old? So you need a new AC. They would say you need a new AC. It's only $5,000 this year. We have it on sale. Okay. So let's go and look at it. So this is my breaker box. It's outside the house. So let me try to open it. And then I find that this switch here, see this switch? Or I should say the breaker for the downstairs, right? The downstairs AC is off. It's in the off position. Okay. So most likely this is the culprit. So I'm going to turn it on. And then I will go outside and check it. So we go inside now. We have turned the breaker on, so we go inside and try to turn the AC on via thermostat. So he is going to lower the temperature to 75, and it shows. See this this ice flakes, snow flakes are on. That means the AC is on. So we can check right here. And the cold air is coming here. Okay, but we will also verify outside. Come outside, and I find that this unit here, this condenser is on. I can feel the warm air coming out. When the air is warm, that means the heat is being removed from the house. Okay, that means AC is working. Okay, so this is for downstairs AC, and now the problem is fixed. Hello, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe link below. Also write your comments in the comment section below. Spread the word. You can share this video with your friends by clicking on the share button below, and you can share it with WhatsApp, with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and by sending email to your friends.